Yeah. Hard. Hard, Darryl, before it gets cold. Yeah, hard. Yes, good man. That's the way. Well done. Well done. Hey, well done there. That's great. Now take your hand over for a minute. Now go in there. You want that one. Good man. That's the way. Now, okay, over to this one. Well done. Good and hard. That's the way. Well done. That's super duper. Now, just put them there for a minute. Come over here. Just take that flatter there, the hot set, put on the stool there. And just get your heavy hammer. Hit that on the side. Don't go mad on it. Now, one hard, hard, hard. Okay. Now this side. Okay. Now, to get another heat. Well done. That's excellent. That's excellent, Darryl. Excellento. For your very first time to ever do that. Well done. We're making an offset. How would I say? V-tongs for holding the blade. That's just my son Darryl. He never done any of that before. So he's done very well on his first time. So I'm just going to open it up again. Now, Darryl. Put your inside there, good and hard. Good man. Fine, good and hard. Open out the sides. Keep going there. Now keep that level on it, Darryl. You have it at an angle. Lift your hand up a bit. Lift your hand up a bit on the handle. No, just leave it on it, but lift the end of the handle up, Darryl. Yes. Down into it, Darryl. Look what you're doing. Up more. Up more. More. There now. Hard. Well done, that's the way. You always have to keep an eye on them. Good man, well done. Good and hard, Darryl. I know that's a 4-pound hammer, but keep going. You're doing excellent. Well done. Okay, leave for a minute. So there we are. We're going to open that more now in a minute, so hope you enjoyed that, folks. Finín Liam Christie, blacksmith from Ireland, and my son Darryl. Thank you very much for watching.